Delicious fried pork ribs recipe. Let's make it. 2 pounds baby back ribs, cross-cut. Remove the silver skin. Then cut the ribs into pieces. Soak ribs in water for 30 minutes to remove blood. Then wash them with water. Dry the ribs using a paper towel. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 3/4 tablespoon of chicken powder. 1/4 teaspoon of 5-spice seasoning. Give it a good massage. 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix well. Add 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix well. Marinate for at least 1 hour or overnight. Refrigerate. 1 hour later. Ready for frying. Fry over medium-low heat until golden brown. Flip to cook the other side. Remove the ribs from the pan. Set aside. Three tablespoons of unsalted butter. Sauté garlic until fragrant. Add red and green bell peppers. Salt and pepper to taste. Sauté for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the fried pork ribs and mix well. Done. Bon appetit. Wow, incredibly delicious.